Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I have a very special video for you because, as you know, Black Friday is coming up. Some of the brands have already started, but the best deals are yet to come. And as your hopefully favorite fashion friend, I want to alert you to the sales that are still coming up, so you will be ready when they do. Have your items in your cart and just press order, because this is the whole point of Black Friday, that you get the best of all the deals possible. And I'm going to talk to you about two brands that's going to have like really good sales, up to 60%. So, you know, you don't want to miss that. And then for more relaxing Sunday, I'm going to take you with me on a break that I had. So hopefully you will have a relaxed Sunday watching this Seaside vlog. And then at the end of the video, we're going to dive into jewelry, because if you remember, if you've been here to my channel before, you know that I promised you some really cool jewelry that I ordered. It was a new find for me. I didn't order anything from that brand before, and I have worn it now a couple of times, so I can definitely say if it's worth the buy or not. And of course, this brand is gonna have Black Friday event coming up soon too. So, you know, win-win situation all over. I'm going to start with a brand that when they do sales, all right? They will have up to 60% off. And when I say this, I do not mean that one dress will be 60 off and everything else will be 10. No, most of the things are in the bracket between 50 and 60% off. So it's definitely something you want to take advantage of. And I'm talking about Self-Portrait. This is the brand that I really love. I have been buying their dresses and their clothing for quite a long time now, definitely years. And I talked more about my latest purchase in this video if you haven't seen my previous video, because I don't want to show you the same things I already talked about. So you can see more about this in that video. I have a few dresses of them and I'm really satisfied with their quality and how long the items actually last. Now, don't be put off when it says that some of the materials are polyester, because as you know by now, hopefully, there are really different ranges of polyester. So this is not the same polyester that costs like $5 on the stand. This is a really good mixture of different materials, how they made it, and it's breathable and it actually is long lasting. And I can definitely recommend their dresses, even though when you look at it on the paper and you see polyester, you want to go, oh no. I mean, you know, of course they have silk and cotton and leather as well, but mainly their dresses are made from very specific type of polyester, and it's definitely worth the price. It's the same thing as with Elisabetta Franchi, because most of her things are actually polyester, but this is not the same that we are used to from years ago. So don't be put off by that. That's all I'm saying. So Self-Portrait, there's a trick. Now, officially, if you go to their webpage, you will not see any alerts for sale, because officially it hasn't started yet. But just want to make sure that we keep this a secret. If you log in, if you create an account with Self-Portrait, you're going to get instant access to sales. It doesn't cost you anything. You just put your information, you open an account, and you get instant access. And Self-Portrait, I mean, their dresses and a lot of their items, they go really fast. And they also have handbags on sale. I didn't see any jewelry on sale, but I know they have handbags, if this is something that you like by that brand as well. So definitely right after you stopped watching this video, watch this video until the end. But after that, go to Self-Portrait. I'm going to link the webpage below. Create an account, put in card what you like, and buy it immediately. Do not wait, because with Self-Portrait, if you put it on the wish list, it probably will be gone by tomorrow when there are sales going on. So this is definitely not the type of web page when you can put item on a wish list and just wait for days. So don't say you weren't warned, because I warned you about this. But it's definitely good sales. Most of the things are actually between 50 and 60% off. So it's definitely worth the splurge. I now ordered two items, this sweater and this cardigan, and hopefully they're going to look as great as they do here. I also have my eye on this handbag. This is still on my wish list because I'm not sure if I want to order or not, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be sold out by tomorrow, but we'll see. Of course, when they're going to arrive, we're going to unbox it together. And I'm really excited for this pink sweater because I think it's going to look just so amazing with gray trousers. So I can't wait to pair this to and see which coat and which handbag and of course which shoes will go the best with this kind of combination. This is another thing I want to say when I'm shopping. I'm never just seeing something that I like and I buy it, but I always think about how will this kind of fit into my already existing wardrobe, because this is the best way to shop. This is the smartest way to shop, because that way you are never in a situation when you have to buy 10 items because you bought one that you liked. So it's just like a little smart tip in there. So to take the edge off the heavy shopping that's ahead of you, I want to take you to the seaside. Now, me and my husband and our dogs, we wanted to have just really time off, like literally doing nothing, like reading books, chilling, relaxing, and just kind of refilling our energy bars. Because the thing is, the last 2 months, my job is always crazy. I mean, I work as a TV presenter and I'm an editor of the morning show as well. And this is really crazy hours, crazy stress, crazy tempo. And usually we only have time off like part of July and part of August, because the TV season lasts from mid-August to mid-July. So you don't really have time off in that period. But this year, luckily, the holidays, the like work-free days fell so I could actually took a few days off and just go somewhere and do nothing. And we were in the middle of nowhere and we had the best times. And of course, I'm going to show you my leisurely outfits as well. So let's go and breathe in some fresh sea air. Good morning. As you can see, it's early and I'm still half asleep, but we have arrived for our few days off and I am just so excited to just not do anything for a change, because the last month was crazy. But this place is so cool. It's very secluded. We have everything to ourselves, so we could actually be here with our dogs as well, because usually on the seaside is a bit of a problem because we have 2 big dogs, and even though they're really well behaved and trained and everything, because they're 2 German Shepherds, people are a bit skittish around them because obviously they're big dogs. So we try to find places where we won't bother anyone, and this is perfect. We are literally in the middle of nowhere. I mean, the sea is just down there, so it's like a few minutes walk, but it's really in a secluded area, and you have like a little grill section here. This is the house. I'm going to show you more of the house later. We have a jacuzzi here, which is still covered because for now it's a bit chilly and I need to put cushions on the chairs, but because of the morning dew, it's they're still wet, so I'm gonna wait. I hope you can see something because there's sun directly in the phone. But it's just so beautiful here. And if you go through here, you enter directly your bedroom and you have a bathroom here and a bed there. And this is the rest of the house. And it's just so peaceful. I love it here. I mean, we can hear a bit of the cars, but not too loud. So it's definitely a place to do nothing. Okay, so now we are all relaxed from jacuzzi and the sea and the sun and doing nothing. So we want to do something with our jewelry. First thing I want to show you is two-piece by Urša Zrnec. I said in one of my previous videos that I have some really cool jewelry coming my way, and this is it. This is the bracelet and this is the ring. I'm gonna put it on this hand. Oh, I bought it for like this finger. So this is how it came when it was packaged, when I unboxed it and opened it. And this is definitely something, if you want to have jewelry that's slightly different, that's slightly less on everybody's arms and fingers, this is definitely the way to go. I know that it comes in black as well. I'm not sure about other colors that she has, but I'm gonna link the webpage below. And this bracelet, this is leather, but the ring, this is actually rubber. So it's very comfortable to wear. I'm sure it's gonna last me a long time, and it's just so special. I mean, I got it in white because my main goal with this is that I'm gonna wear it mostly in the summer with short sleeves, not so much during the winter. So if you want to wear it during the winter, then of course maybe you will choose other colors, or you can wear white as well, why not? But for me, this was definitely a summer buy, and I think it's so cool. And this bracelet, I mean, this turns a bit, so sometimes it will be like this and sometimes it will be like this. And Urša Zrnec will have a Black Friday event going on as well. So I will link her webpage below, and don't forget to open an account, because then you're gonna get a notification when the sales start. I think she ships worldwide, and I'm always happy when I find a Slovenian designer that I can talk about, because it feels special when you find something in your own country and you can promote it because you believe in it and because you love it. That's the main point. This is not sponsored. I didn't even use my real name, because usually when I buy things from Slovenia, I always order it under another name, because I don't want anybody to do anything different if they recognize that they're sending it to me. A lot of people do know me in Slovenia, and I don't want people to send me anything different, because they would maybe realize who they are sending this item to. So this is a genuine order, and it's just 100%. I'm really, really happy. So thank you, Urša. I'm definitely gonna buy more. The next jewelry brand, you know, even though I haven't talked about them for a while now, I used to have like every other video was about that brand, but they changed a lot of policies in between, and I got a bit, not really put off, but I just didn't see the benefit as much as I used to years ago. But I still love their products, and I'm still shopping occasionally with them, and that's of course Missoma. Now Missoma has, like, they used to have like 2 sales per year and then a Black Friday event. Now I have a feeling like sales are going on all the time. I don't know, I just keep getting reminders like 10 off, 20 off. But the thing is that their items are pretty expensive, and to me, unless you're buying like fine jewelry, which is like 2,000 euros, 20 off for any other piece, it just doesn't justify buying something you don't really need for that little discount. That was just like my guess, because they have sales going on a lot. Also, they kind of like stopped doing their loyalty program, which I'm really not happy about, because that was the main reason why I was actually able to buy so many of their pieces, because I think I have like, I don't know, probably more than 100 pieces for sure from them, even more probably, because I've been buying Missoma for, I want to say like 5 years now, 4 or 5 years, maybe even more. I don't even remember when I started, but I have a lot of pieces from them. And I kind of stopped the last year, but I still have one necklace on my wish list, and this is what I'm aiming to get when the Black Friday event starts. And this is going to start next Friday. So Friday the 21st, I think the sale opens. So make sure to put anything you like on your wish list, because they promise that everything will be like 50% off. Not like all their webpage, but everything they're going to select for sales should be 50 off. But we'll see. I don't know, but it looks promising. So these are Harry's Reed in good hands necklaces that I love and have in every possible color, because I just think they are amazing and adorable, and they go with freaking everything. And the necklace that I have on my wish list is from this collection, but it's just chunkier. And this necklace I have been eyeing for quite a long time now, but I'm just waiting for the price to come down, because for me that necklace is amazing, but it's not worth 400 euros. So I'm waiting for the price to come down a bit. So that's my wish list for Missoma. And another necklace that I have on my neck pretty much daily is this one. I love chunky jewelry, and this necklace with this padlock is just so cool. And this one usually does get reduced sometimes. I mean, I bought it when it came out because I just loved it so much. I didn't want to risk to be sold out, but I've noticed it a couple of times. It was actually among the sale items. So if you like this one, keep your eye out on Missoma sales on Friday. And then of course we have their ultimate bestseller. This is Lucy Williams collection, and this is a Roman coin. They have this in different versions. You have it in silver as well. You can get it with like little crystals here, but this is like the most classic ones that they do. And I think this was like one of the first pieces I bought from them. So this is definitely years and years and years old, and you can see, even though it's gold plated, it's not pure gold, it's still in pristine condition. And I have to tell you, I wear this necklace all the time, like literally all the time. Maybe not so much in the winter, but outside of that, I'm wearing it all the time. So it's definitely good quality. Hopefully now you are relaxed from the seaside and you are excited for the sales. Just a quick reminder again, don't forget, for self-portrait, you have to open an account to access sales instantly. So you go do that and have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video.